Hello and welcome to another edition of the Windows 95 Guy. Today I have a package that I got, which is, things of things. I already opened it because I was quite excited about this. I do feel bad for the seller. He has to put these labels on there, say if there's a problem, don't leave a bad review, talk to me. I feel bad for the seller. He actually has good stuff. So, what I have here is some RAM. These are both 2 gigabytes each of DDR2 RAM. I think this is crucial memory if I'm not mistaken. Let me check it. I think that's what this is. Oh, look at that. It's purple on one side, red on the other. That's cool. King box. I don't think I've heard of this. Either way, there was good reviews on it, so that's why I bought it. And it was also not too expensive. So I bought 2 gigabytes each, which is a total of 4 gigabytes. This right now has 2 gigabytes of RAM. This computer here, if you don't know, this is the computer I use for video capturing. So this camera here, which is a mini DV camera, uses, nope, wrong side, FireWire connections from here to there. So I have this, I think it's a 6 foot long FireWire cable. I guess if you ever needed to know how far away to stand for COVID reasons, just use this cable. Plug it in to the computer, and then you plug the other end into the camera, and then as soon as you do that with Windows open, it would have a pop-up saying what do you want to do with this camera, and then the whole Windows thing comes up or allows you to capture it. Now the RAM is for this because the RAM maxes out whenever you have at least one page open in the browser, which is not good at all for multitasking. So if I wanted to do a video capture and do something else in the background, I really can't. Video capturing doesn't take the RAM as much just because it's 640 by 480 resolution at 30 frames per second interlaced. Yeah, I needed this because this was really bad. Now I already know what I need to do for this to get into the RAM, and I do really particularly like the design of this computer. The way it is designed is quite great. So I'm gonna get my Menards branded tool set out here. I use a lot of that tool set there. Even let my friends use it sometimes. Beginning of COVID, I let my friend Ian borrow it so he could work on something. Now this is the RAM that's in it right now. This is a Samsung 1 gigabyte DDR2 RAM stick. So that's what was in that. And that'll be easy to replace. Just grab one, put it in. So that's done. One done. Put the old one inside of the case. That's nice. It came in a case rather than just bubble wrap around it. That's kind of a nice thing. I bought RAM before and they don't do that. They aren't as nice. They just kind of throw it in there. I had to buy some RAM for the Nova computer at the beginning of the pandemic. It took a long time to get it because it was coming from, I think, Poland or Russia, one of the two. I think it's Poland. And they just sent it in bubble wrap. There's 4 sticks in there. A little cringe, but I guess it's alright. Bubble wrap's better than no wrap at all. Now, if you didn't just see, I just removed these 2 screws here. They show a keyboard thing, meaning that you can't remove the keyboard without those. Now, this is where I really like the design of it. See, there's these little snaps here. Just slide them down, and then grab a flathead here just so I can get behind it. This design really is quite nice to work with. Just stick that in there, comes up like that. So easy. And you just flip it around, and then there's the secondary RAM stick right there. This is also a gigabyte if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And this one here is some, whatever this is. I don't know what this RAM is, but that's whatever was in here stock. So I'll put in the next RAM stick, and there we go. Plug it in because I don't know what the battery state is at. I don't want it to die when it's turning on. The battery lasts about a half hour, an hour. It's not too bad. Okay, this is the RAM. So that's cool. Save that. Did I mention the hard drive is very slow? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff on this hard drive. So it takes a bit to turn on. But I promise you, it is working. There's a lot of stuff that's got to load in and siphon through. I really should do a disk defragment and probably clean out some garbage on here. Old hard drive things. Oh, there we go. Good old Windows 7. Now, see, if you didn't know that this was Windows 7, you probably would think it's Windows NT. Even looking at the start menu, it looks like Windows NT. Yeah, I'm pretty good at customizing newer operating systems to make them look older. I almost reached for the keyboard for a nub. I've been using a computer with a nub for a while now. You see the memory's at 38%. That's interesting. Let's see what the RAM says here. 4 gigs of RAM. Yeah. Look at that. There you go. 4 gigs of RAM. So that's cool. You can see how well this Windows XP laptop, yes, this is a Windows XP laptop, originally, that's how good it does for a Windows 7, for the experience. And that's why I run it in the classic theme all the time, because it's just a better experience, since its graphics are a little bit on the low side. A lot of cool stuff planned for this channel. When I'm making this video, this is like a week before exams, so this probably won't be posted for a while. Same with a bunch of other things. But I will post them. These will be posted at some point. It's just gonna take me a while. And I do apologize for not posting anything for a long time. Also, the hair is interesting. It's like total, I don't even know. It was slicked back when I went to bed, and when I woke up, it was like this. It's interesting. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Check out Melee Motors. That'll be over there. Melee Motors is good for anything if you like motored. Good enough. I have that. And then also Melee Productions. Check out that over there. That's good for if you're wanting to see me and Noah's movie. See you soon in the next great video. Woo!